Hey guys, it's CJ here of Yugatech, and the mid-range smartphone scene is heating up. Both the Infinix Note 50 Pro and the Redmi Note 14 5G bring strong specs and stylish designs at wallet-friendly price points. Whether you're into gaming, photography, or everyday multitasking, these two have plenty to offer. Let's see which one fits your needs the best. Let's get started. The Redmi Note 14 5G sports a minimalist matte plastic back with Gorilla Glass 5 up front, weighing at a comfortable 190 grams. It offers 64 dust and splash resistance, an IR blaster, and a headphone jack, a feature that's becoming rare these days. Meanwhile, the Infinix Note 50 Pro feels more premium with its metal alloy frame and a bold octagonal camera module. It's slightly heavier at 198 grams, and it also includes IP64 protection and comes with a leather textured case to manage its fingerprint-prone glossy finish. If you want light and practical, the Redmi Note 14 is your pick. However, for a more premium feel and standout design, Infinix edges out there. The Infinix Note 50 offers a larger 6.78-inch AMOLED with a silky 144Hz refresh rate and decent 1300 nits brightness. Plus, it also has JBL tuned dual speakers. The multimedia experience is smooth and engaging. The Redmi Note 14 5G 6.67-inch AMOLED features a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support with brighter peak brightness at 1950 nits. Its speakers are clear but bass light, requiring higher volumes in noisy environments. Maybe that's why it comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. While the Note 14 shines in brightness and HDR, the Note 50 Pro's smoother 144Hz display gives gamers and heavy media users a slighter advantage. For cameras, the Redmi Note 14 5G leads here with a 108MP OIS main camera, 8MP ultra-wide, and 2MP macro lens, delivering sharp, detailed shots with good dynamic range. Its 20MP front camera is solid for selfies. The Note 50 Pro's 50MP main sensor is decent but less vibrant, especially in low light, and lacks OIS. The 32MP selfie camera is sharp, but no LED flash limits dim selfies. For photography enthusiasts, the Redmi Note 14 setup is clearly better, while the Infinix Note 50 covers casual users well. The Redmi Note 14 5G runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultimate, handling everyday use and casual gaming well, but struggle with demanding games. Meanwhile, the Infinix Note 50 Pro has the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate chip, which delivers smoother, consistent performance and better heat management in gaming sessions. Both phones, however, struggle to handle graphically intensive titles like Zenless Zone Zero and Wuthering Waves. Games like Call of Duty Mobile, however, are able to run smoothly. The Note 14 offers stronger benchmark numbers and 5G support, but for balanced, stable, and everyday use with consistent gaming, the Note 50 Pro feels more polished. The Note 50 Pro's XOS 15 on Android 15 packs AI features like Folax Assistant, Smart Touch Gestures, and AI Image Search, enhancing productivity and interaction. Whereas the Redmi Note 14's HyperOS 1 on Android 14 offers a clean, reliable interface with essential apps and regular updates for a smooth experience. We have yet to know if this device will have HyperOS 2 based on Android 15. If you want smart AI tools, the Note 50 Pro leads. If you prefer a straightforward, polished UI, then the Note 14 holds a bit strong. The Redmi Note 14 5G's 5110mAh battery lasts over 17 hours in our PC Mark test and comfortably powers in a full day, charging at 45 watts in about 90 minutes. The Infinix Note 50 Pro, meanwhile, has a slightly larger 5200mAh battery but scores lower in endurance tests. Its real advantage here is 90W wired and 30W wireless charging, going from 20 to full in under an hour, perfect for those who need quick top-ups. For long-lasting battery life, the Redmi Note 14 is better, but if fast charging and wireless support matters the most to you, then the Infinix Note 50 wins. The Redmi Note 14 5G delivers strong camera performance, great brightness, and a polished software experience, but comes at a higher price, 16,999 pesos for 12GB plus 512GB. Meanwhile, the Infinix Note 50 Pro offers a premium metal build, ultra-smooth 144Hz display, faster charging, and innovative AI features for just 11,999 pesos, making it an excellent all-rounder for budget-conscious buyers who want cutting-edge extras. Ultimately, the Infinix Note 50 Pro is a well-rounded pick for performance, display smoothness, and charging speed. Meanwhile, the Redmi Note 14 remains the go-to for photography and display brightness. It's your choice depending on what you value the most. But hey, which phone do you prefer? Let us know which one in the comment section below. Find this content helpful and informative, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Follow us on our socials and check out tiktok.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye! See you later!